It is hard to find the right folder in Google Drive because they all look the same. Today I'll show you how to make your Google Drive more colorful and easier on the eyes. Watch until the end, I'll share an extra folder organization tip, so let's get started. So first guys, go to the Google Drive app on your device and afterwards go to the Files tab, open your folder and pretty much click on this three-dot menu right there and tap on the Change Color feature. From the list of the colors, choose your desired one. And this is pretty much it. Now your folders in Google Drive look brighter and easier to navigate. By the way, a quick note, Google Drive doesn't currently support sorting by color, but you can add keywords or emojis to the folder names to make searching easier. For example, you can mark urgent projects as red or done projects as green. So if this video was helpful, give it a like and subscribe to the channel. It motivates me to keep making more helpful videos. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video. Bye.